Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable disappearing messages on Instagram chat. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on chat at top right. Once you selected that, then locate the Instagram chat where you want to enable or disable disappearing messages. Now to enable disappearing messages, all you need to do is swipe up here until you see release to turn on disappearing messages. Then it should say disappearing messages enabled. To disable it, repeat the same approach, and I should say release to turn off disappearing messages. And then that is it. So you can use this to turn on or turn off disappearing messages on your Instagram. So if you want to change how often your Instagram disappearing messages works, locate and click on change on the chat page. Then this could be once they are seen, 24 hours or 7 days. Alternatively, you can just go ahead, click on the chat name, click on profile name, then come here and click on disappearing messages. Then you can use this to turn on or turn off disappearing messages on your Instagram. So that is basically how to enable or disable disappearing messages on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.